Hello and welcome back. In this session, you'll learn about the landlord's float account. Now, the purpose of the landlord's float account is to set aside some cash to cover for any small repairs while you're awaiting rent. If we scroll down and look to the right, you'll see an option to transfer to the float account. Now, what this is going to do is simply make a deduction from one of your existing tenancies and apply a credit to your float account. If we take a look at the statement's balance, you'll see the transfer that's been made to the float account. In addition, if you go to take a payment, you're able to receive money and credit it straight to the client's float account. Right, the last feature I'll show you is how to manage your float accounts for all of your landlords in batch. The feature that we're looking for here is called Transfer to Float Multiple. So if we click here, we can see a screen that lets you easily top up float balances in batch. Let's say, for example, you want to see a list of landlords with a float balance less than £300. You're then able to make a batch transfer from their main account to their float account.